Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on March 27, 2026, exactly 1 week ago. It introduces a unified framework called DataFlex that dynamically manages training data selection and weighting, which cuts distributed training runtime by about 57% compared to previous isolated implementations. The paper is titled DataFlex, a unified framework for data-centric dynamic training of large language models. And as we'll dive into shortly, the efficiency and accuracy gains for model training are quite significant. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 breaks down the high-level architecture of the DataFlex framework. This system uses a modular design, starting with a base layer inherited directly from LLaMA-Factory, which handles standard tasks like model management and parallel optimization. Above that, the trainer layer introduces specialized select, mix, and weight trainers that seamlessly replace the default LLaMA-Factory trainer. Finally, the component layer provides pluggable strategies, allowing researchers to easily drop in specific algorithms for selecting, mixing, or weighting data without rewriting the core training loop. So, following the architecture we just discussed, Figure 2 shows how simple it is to use DataFlex in practice. These example configuration files demonstrate that the setup reuses the standard LLaMA-Factory structure for defining the model and dataset. The left panel sets up dynamic data selection using the LESS algorithm. Meanwhile, the right panel configures dynamic data mixture with Do-Re-Mi. The key takeaway here is the drop-in design. Users only need to append a short DataFlex section to specify the strategy, without altering the core model or optimizer settings. Okay, following that setup, Table 1 summarizes the specific algorithms currently supported by DataFlex. The framework integrates methods across three main paradigms: data selection, data mixture, and data reweighting. For data selection, it includes gradient-based approaches like LESS and NICE, alongside loss and distribution-based methods. It also supports Do-Re-Mi and ODM for data mixture, plus a strategy for reweighting. Notably, the bottom rows show that while most methods require continuous model feedback, many lack stable official repositories, which underscores the value of unifying them in one place. Well, with those algorithms now integrated, Figure 3 shows the actual performance gains they deliver during training. These two graphs track MMLU accuracy over 1,600 training steps. The left panel shows the results for Mistral 7B, while the right panel covers LLaMA 3.23b. In both cases, almost all the dynamic data selection strategies significantly outperform the static full data baseline, which is the dark gray line tracking near the bottom. Specifically, the gradient-based LESS algorithm, shown in red, and the loss-based reweighting strategy, shown in orange, consistently achieve the highest final accuracy across both models. Okay. Table 2 compares data mixture strategies like Do-Re-Mi and ODM against the baseline. It tracks accuracy and perplexity across different text domains, at both 6 billion and 30 billion token scales. Perplexity measures how well a model predicts text, so lower scores are better. Both dynamic methods outshine the static baseline. Specifically, ODM achieves the lowest overall perplexity at the 30 billion scale, driving strong improvements in specialized domains like GitHub and ARCS4. So, while Table 2 just evaluated data mixture quality, Table 3 shifts the focus to runtime efficiency. It measures training time and MMLU accuracy across different data sampling ratios, comparing the original LESS codebase against the DataFlex implementation. On a single GPU, DataFlex consistently trims training time, achieving up to a 7% reduction while generally maintaining or improving accuracy. Finally, the bottom row highlights the framework's scalability. By utilizing 8 GPUs, DataFlex cuts the full dataset training time by 57% compared to a single GPU, demonstrating significant advantages for large-scale distributed training. Wrapping up, two key takeaways stand out. DataFlex successfully consolidates previously fragmented algorithms into one modular system, and it proves that dynamically managing training data dramatically boosts both model accuracy and efficiency. This unified approach makes deploying advanced data strategies highly accessible. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.